We've got a TMG volunteer on the trailer package heading to our friends over the Tennessee Highway Patrol. Now, all y'all troopers, when you're eating your barbecue, I want you to remember TMG built this sucker for y'all. Y'all catch us out on the highway, remember that. All right, we expect a little leniency. Anyway, let's check out this pit. Our volunteer, guys, that's our Texas style traditional flow offset. 130 gallon smoke chamber here, 1/4 inch steel, bottom and top sliding racks. Got a lot of cook room on this unit. We do have a water pan shelf off to the side here. That way you're not taking up your cooking grate. Does have a 1-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Fold down smokestack, that is standard on the volunteer. TMG pits tail through thermometers, of course. On the firebox, he did add our griddle top. Now we do cut out underneath this griddle top, so it does get hot. It's really nice to have a surface that's already hot while you're smoking, ready to cook on. We'll open it up here, 3/8 thick firebox, guys. All right, we don't fool around on the firebox and the volunteer. It's gonna last you a lifetime. We'll check out the trailer package, guys. Y'all know the deal. We build all of our trailers in-house. This one's got a powder coated finish, 2,000-pound independent torsion axles. We got storage up front and around back, spare tire, little stainless shelf in the back as well. So y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.